Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. And in today's video, we're gonna go over how to remove a credit card from Western Union. So first things first, guys. Of course, if you're in the Western Union website, you wanna log into your profile on westernunion.com, and then you wanna go ahead to the payment preferences section. Okay. Then here, guys, what you're gonna do is you want to basically click on the trash icon near the card to remove the credit card. Also, guys, you want to do the same thing on your mobile app. Log into your profile, tap on menu, scroll down, select profile, and on your profile, you want to go to the payment options, and then under the credit or debit card, you want to click on the trash icon and go ahead and remove the credit card. Also, guys, what you can do is you can, of course, always contact customer care by calling or emailing them to remove your card that way as well. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you in the next one.